Standard 6 Subject Geography. Comparing a globe and a map. Field visits. Introduction. Hi, I was observing these three devices: the world map, the outline map of India, and the globe. Have you ever studied or used these devices? Correct. You must have used these devices for many purposes, such as to get information about the region, to search the location of the place on the earth, etc. But do you know the difference between a map and a globe? Okay, let me tell you the differences between these two with the help of some questions. So tell me, out of these devices, which one is flat? Correct. Out of these devices, the map is flat. Now answer this. Which device is spherical in shape? Very correct. The globe is spherical in shape. Now, the next question. Which device enables us to see the entire area of the earth at a time? Correct. Map enables us to see the entire area of the earth at a time. Now tell me, using which device only one side of the earth can be seen at a time? Correct. Using the globe, we can see only one side of the earth at a time. Now think before answering this next question. Which of these devices, the map or the globe, would you use for the detailed study of the specific region, such as country or a state? Absolutely correct. We will have to use a map for the study of particular region in detail. Now carefully answer this last question. Which device can be called the model of the earth? Correct. Globe can be called as the model of the earth. A map and the globe. Do you know the dimension of map and the globe are different? Now let us learn about this in detail. The maps are two-dimensional. You must be wondering, what does two-dimensional mean? Two-dimensional objects have two dimensions, that is length and the width. The product of length and width forms its area. For example, paper, blackboard, land, etc. A map is drawn for the region or for the entire world. Thus, a map can be used to study the whole world or also regions of limited extent. A map is drawn on the flat surface. In the map, the information of any region is shown as per the objective. Always remember that while drawing a map, the graticule and scale of the map are used. The scale of the map is the ratio of the distance between two places on the map and the distance between the same two places on the ground. Now look at this. Here the distance between the two trees in front of the building is 30 meters, while in the map the distance between the same two trees is 30 centimeters. This means, according to this example, the scale of this map is 30 centimeter divided by 30 meter. We use certain signs and symbols to show information on the map. A map is a pictorial representation of that region. A globe is three-dimensional. Three-dimensional means an object having three dimensions, that is length, width and height. The product of these three forms is volume. For example, duster, box, glass, pot, hill, the moon, etc. Always remember, a globe has a spherical surface like that of a ball. Even though a globe is small or large, it is always the replica of the entire earth. Do you know we can draw a map from the globe? Now I will explain to you how a map can be drawn from a globe. In order to prepare a map from the globe, first we have to prepare a globe made of wire. A source of light is replaced inside it, and then the projection of the wired globe is taken on the paper. A map is prepared with the help of this projection. This shows that a graticule is essential to prepare a map of the earth or any part of it. Thus, this is the method used for drawing a two-dimensional map on a paper using the three-dimensional globe. Thank you.